Okay, so I'm going to try and walk you through a normal day of getting on your iPad, opening up your Canvas. You'll log in, and then on the left-hand side, you see the word dashboard, or it might just pop up automatically. You should see all your classes. With that, you want to make sure you're looking at Algebra 1 Semester 1. And at the top of your screen, you see the announcements. So as soon as you get on your iPad, you should always start with the top announcement, okay? So we'll look at this announcement. This is today in Algebra 1, blah, blah, blah. And it goes step by step. What are we doing today? It says go to goformative.com to complete your warm-up. So I hit goformative.com. And I've already signed in. If you have not signed into goformative.com before, I'll show you what it looks like, or you can look at the directions in other places. You'll go to the login button up in the top corner, and you will sign in with your Google account. And it won't let me get back to that, but if you do that, it's going to ask me to do that. I don't have time to do that on this video. So anyways, I went through that before. It automatically gives you a warm-up. You'll do the warm-up, and then it will show you red or green if you get the warm-up correct, things like that. So I'm talking about Canvas now, though. So after you look at the announcement, after completing the warm-up, it says go to your Unit 1 module and watch the Unit 1 video or notes and complete the assignment titled Unit 1 Day 1 and submit it. So you'll notice on the left-hand side, you only have home, modules, and announcements. So I'm going to go back to home. So the announcements are at the top of your screen. If you scroll down, if you want to know anything about the class, there's a button here that says Class Info. You click the Class Info. It gives you information like start here, okay? Start here. I put some information on here that I will update this later, but it shows you how to use a Pear Deck video, how to use GoFormative video. So I will update this with more information as we're going, but just to kind of give you an idea. So that's the Class Info button. If you click the Unit 1 button, that's the first unit we're going to be doing, it automatically takes you to the unit at the bottom of the page. It says like week 1, and then if you click day 1, it says the assignment is locked at the moment. So I can unlock that. Let me get out of this real quick. It is published. But you can at least see it on my screen. You will have a copy of the blank notes if you want blank notes to look at and fill in on your own. You have a copy of the completed notes. So if, let's say, I tried to watch this video, if I click the video and it's not working for some reason, I just clicked it again, and all of a sudden I can watch the video on how to do all of this. If your video isn't working, like my video didn't work there, but I clicked it again and it took me to the actual YouTube page and I was able to watch the video. But just in case something like that were to happen, you have the completed notes on your screen as well. And then, so you can watch the video or just look at the notes. And then I have the Unit 1 Day 1 homework. If you click that, it shows you the homework. You can write on your screen and submit this picture, or you could, let's go back here. You could also write your work on a piece of paper and submit it. Every homework assignment is worth 10 points. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that the due date, you can see when it became available, and I leave things open for pretty much the quarter, so if you ever want to go back and look at a video or look at the notes, they are on here for you to look at. So that is kind of a day. You log in. Let me go back to student view here real quick. You log into Canvas. You'll go straight to Algebra 1. You'll look at the top of the page. You'll click the announcements. The announcements again will tell you what you are doing for that day. Once you want to get back out of the announcements, go back to your home screen. You can go to your Unit 1 by clicking Unit 1, or you can get to Unit 1 by hitting the word Modules. Modules will also take you to, you can see here, Unit 1, and it says this is our first week, this is our second week, just to give you some ideas. And by clicking it, you will be allowed to see the notes, video, and homework for that day. Okay, hopefully that helps answer a little bit of questions about the day-to-day